Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a new millet recipe with little millets, sweeter and spicier versions of it. It is also called as paniyaram in Tamil and Appe. It is a healthier twist for rice or wheat. Millets are rich in fiber and minerals and helps in reducing cholesterol and weight loss. Check out my other millet recipes in the description. I have taken 2 cups of little millet, that is samai in Tamil. It is also called as kurki or savan in Hindi. Take half a cup of urad gota, 3/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's wash everything together until the water runs clear. Let it soak for about 6 to 8 hours. The water used in soaking is used for grinding the batter. Now everything is soaked nicely. Let's transfer it into the mixer. You can either grind it in 2 batches or one based on the size of your mixture. Do not add more water, we need a thicker batter. I have ground the batter now. This is the perfect texture. The batter should not be too grainy. Little millet tastes just like rice. If you are a beginner, you can start with little millet. Let's ferment the batter overnight, that is for approximately 6 to 8 hours. I have placed a round plate under the vessel for mess-free countertop. It is much easier for cleaning. This is the consistency now. It gets thicker after fermentation. In warmer weather conditions, the fermentation happens in just 4 hours. The next day, I got this perfect fermented batter. I am not going to add salt for this batter now, as I am going to make sweet paniyaram too with this batter. Let's add it while making the paniyarams. I made coriander chutney for this spicier paniyaram. Comment below if you want this recipe on Hungry Fusion. First, for sweet paniyaram, I have taken 2 cups of the batter, which yields 20 paniyarams. Add 3 tablespoons of palm jaggery. I am going to pair it up with sweetened coconut milk. So I have used less jaggery. Adjust it based on your preference. Add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Skipping cardamom powder as I have added it in coconut milk. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well until the jaggery dissolves. Next, I have broken 8 cashews into small pieces and add it. Mix well, and that's it. Let's make our sweet paniyarams. Pour it into a hot paniyaram pan. Flip it once you see the bubbles. See, these are nicely browned as we have used jaggery. In the same way, add salt to the batter kneader and make spicier version of the paniyaram. You can also add tempering chilli and onion if needed. I served it with sweetened coconut milk and coriander chutney. These turned out super crispy on the out and softer inside. Kids love to have this sweet paniyaram. I will give the link of the coconut milk recipe in comments and in description. I used jaggery and cardamom to make this coconut milk. The spicier version turned out like our regular paniyaram. This was our super delicious breakfast. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and my other playlist are given in the description. Share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you.